Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about application button and we will see some of the options in application button. So this is the application button. Whenever I will click on this one, application menu will be open here. So in this window you can see some of the options like new, open, save as, and so on. Okay. New mean if you want to create new drawing, you can just click on here and you can start new drawing here. And open mean if you want to open the existing file from here, you can just open from here. And if you want to save the file, you can save from here. And if you want to save the file in different format or in different location, you can use this option. So here at right you can see some of the files that I have opened recently. If you are going to open AutoCAD for first time here, so you will not find any of the file here. And if you want to pin this file here, you can just click on here. Now this file will be permanent here. Whenever you will come here in application button, this file will be at top. And you can see whenever I hover over my mouse cursor on any of the file, it will show some preview here. Okay, and if you want to change the preview, for example, I will go here and I will just select from here large images. Now it is showing drawing name as well as drawing preview, so you can make changes from here. Now if you want to open an existing file, you will go here in open, and from here you can choose any of the location where you save already the file. You can go here and you can open the drawing. For example, in documents I have saved drawings. This is the drawing folder. I will just click on this one, double click, and this is the drawing I want to open. And again I will just select this one and I can open from here. Now drawing is open here. Now again I will go into the application button, and here you can see some of the options like print. You can print or plot from here as well. Okay, for example, if you want to print, you can print from here as well. And here is one more option like drawing utilities. Okay, from here you can set the units in which you want to work. In later lesson we will learn about units as well. Now if you want to change the background color of drawing area, all you need to do is just go into the options, and from here you will go into the display tab, and from here there is one option like colors, and from here you can choose any of the colors. For example, right now I want white color, so I will select this one and then apply and close. Now you can see here the white background color is appear here. The black background color is okay for me, so I will choose that one again and I will apply this one and then okay this one. Now if this option is not visible here, all you need to do is you will just select the command. The command is OP. You will write here in command line OP and press enter. Now that window will be appear. From display tab you can choose any of the color. That is all about this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.